You spend over 4 hours every single day looking down at a glass rectangle. 4 hours. That is 60 days a year. Gone. Big tech knows you are tired of it, so they built a new wave of devices designed to destroy the smartphone entirely. Section 1. The Ambient Computing Revolution. For 15 years, every attempt to replace your phone tried to shrink a screen onto your wrist or project green lasers onto your hand, and almost all of them failed. Why? Because you cannot replace a high-resolution display with an annoying voice or a blurry projection. But the strategy just shifted. Instead of putting a computer on your hand, tech giants are putting AI directly into your eyes and ears. Enter the new era of ambient wearables. Devices like the latest AI smart glasses do not try to run mobile apps. They do not make you tap menu buttons on a tiny panel. Instead, they process what you see, hear, and say in real time. Need to translate a menu in Tokyo? You just look at it and hear the translation in your ears instantly. Want to take a note during a meeting? You speak out loud, and the on-device processor categorizes the text before you even finish your sentence. Section 2. How the hardware actually works. Here is how the hardware actually works under the hood. Earlier, wearables relied entirely on your phone's processor to do the heavy lifting. That caused massive delays and battery drain. Now, specialized chips like dedicated AR processors run multimodal AI right on the device. They use multi-microphone beamforming to block out background noise, even on a loud subway. The audio uses directional sound chambers. That means you hear your assistant loud and clear, but the person sitting right next to you hears absolute silence. And the cameras? They capture ultra-wide POV shots instantly, without you ever pulling out a heavy camera slab. Section 3. The hard truth and real limitations. But here is where most people mess up. They expect these wearables to do everything a phone does right now, and that is a massive mistake. If your daily workflow involves scrolling long visual feeds, editing spreadsheets, or typing long emails, a hands-free wearable will frustrate you in 5 minutes. Voice controls fail when you are in a quiet library or a noisy concert. And screenless interaction demands a complete change in how you navigate information. You cannot skim a voice response. You have to listen to the whole thing. Plus, battery life remains a real bottleneck. Pushing multi-microphone arrays and live camera processing caps active battery life to just a few hours of heavy use. They do not replace your phone entirely, yet. They strip away 80% of the quick checks, the micro distractions, and the constant notification checking. So, should you jump in right now? If you want a device to completely dump your smartphone today, save your money. The hardware is not built for total replacement yet. But if you want to slash your screen time, stay present in the real world, and access AI without staring at a glowing box. This new generation of tech is the biggest shift in personal computing since 2007. The phone on your desk is not dying overnight. It is just slowly moving out of your hands and onto your face.